Hey guys, welcome back for another video. So today what we're going to be doing is we're going to be replacing that front bumper on the Jeep. So what we're going to do is I pop the hood because we're going to start with taking off the grill, and then you'll see there's two little bolts on each side that we have to take off, and then I'll show you guys the rest of the bolts you have to take off as well. Okay, so take that plate off and then you'll get a little more room to ram tray there, and this is what we'll use to take all four bolts out. You can't really see where it's at, but there's 4 bolts over there. Okay guys, so when you have it off, this is exactly where those 4 bolts are. That harness is going to be connected to that. So make sure that you strap that out of the way and pull all these tabs off. So I'll show you what it looks like on the bumper. So this is the stock front bumper. So this is what it looks like on both sides. So make sure you hook those fog lights. Now we'll get to install on the bumper. Okay guys, so we ended up finishing up the install. This is the way that it looks. So we're gonna give you guys kind of more like a in-depth of how to actually do it. So 1 minute. All right, so when you put this on, you're gonna have each one of these lights. If you ordered the Amazon one like I did, it just have positive and negative. There's no push button like it does with a normal light bar. And these are not actual light bars. These are more like just fog lights. But anyways, I took positive and negative and wired them all the way from here, positive, 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 positive. And then I wired it to a positive, which is hooked to my actual light bars. And then same thing with the negative. I just ran a stream of negative all the way across and then wired it to a negative for the light bar so that it turns on with my switch. So this is kind of what it looks like afterwards. I'd have to say it looks pretty mean. Chad helped me with all of it, so.
Lost a couple fingers for it.
This is the way it looks. You want to go turn on the button, Chad? It's just right on the steering wheel.
On the steering wheel?
Yeah, just on the side of it. Yeah, see, the thing looks mean. Man, those things are bright. Okay, turn it off. So yeah, that's what you're looking forward to. So if you guys want me to post a description, just let me know. And yeah, you guys know what to do. Go ahead and hit the like and subscribe button. Stay tuned for more stuff on the JK. And say, I can't wait till we get to the day we lift it.